Alright, what's up y'all? I am back with another video. As you've known in the other videos, I have been working on the Lego bridge right here, as you can see. I've been working on that, but on this video it's going to be a little something different. I haven't worked on it in a long time, and I don't know if I'm going to make it back into what it was or make something totally different, but I have to upgrade it and make it better. So stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. We are going to be breaking down my Lego Batmobile. I built this a long time ago from this robot set. It was an off-brand robot set that I really don't know the brand name. It's kind of stuff like what they have out there in the market. But I put a lot into this Batmobile. There was a lot that went into making this. I had to make it where it snake turned. If you watch some of the other videos up there, I don't know if I had any footage of it actually working because it weighed so much. So I'm trying to make it a little bit lighter, and this is what I've gotten so far. I've already started working on it. I've been working a lot of real good days. So the next couple days there'll be a few new videos. So go like, subscribe, comment, and push that bell for notifications. Let's smash that like button down there and let's see if we can get 20 likes. And let's show you what I got. And I have already kind of started breaking it down. Trying to get the tank treads to where they're a little bit more operable. And I'm charging the motor down here. Okay, I got the tracks set up where they're working really nicely. I just have to see how I'm gonna attach them to this, because this motor is not a normal Lego motor, and it only has that one servo right there that goes back and forth like a tank. So I have to all that stuff out. So yeah, let's see what I can get up to. Okay, I came to Ricky's to mess with the Traxxas cars. He doesn't have his big one here. He only has the little small Bubba's. So we're gonna run those around for a little while. Take a little break from building. So check out this. Alright, get ready, Ash. Pretty funny, wasn't it? Just supposed to use the water. Oh, you almost made it.
further towards us and then gun it up that.
Yeah. Gotta go over like that little nose. Yeah.
It gets squirrely because it goes so fast. Oh, nice! And you landed it. Let's go over there and get the new battery. Or, oh yeah, get a rubber. Yeah.
Oh! It made it all the way up there.
Yeah.
There's no reason why we can't make it up there.
And jump it. Yeah. If you, that thing's got some power. This is like kind of the one of the ones I want.
That white
you're good.
really good on the Look at you.
Oh, you got stuck in the dirt.
I should let get stuck on that.
All right, go. All right, that was fun. Let's get back to building my remote control car. My remote control tank, basically. But that was fun racing those Traxxas. I'll probably end up buying me one in the future. But hint, hint on Christmas gifts. If you want to buy me one, go for it. But let's get back to this.
Okay, I've got some really nice tracks set up. I really don't know if I'm going to use this motor or not. I'm not sure if I will use this one or not, because I can't find the actual charger for it. This is a charger that I got, that I just had and made up, and it doesn't seem like it's going to charge, but we're gonna see. I've pulled out a lot of pieces so far. They're all over the place. And I've been just kind of testing some stuff out, trying to make it as light as possible. And yeah, they are looking really good though. Paint treads. And I got blocks on the sides so I can build them up and build back parts on these. I don't know. You're gonna have to just wait and see. I'm gonna get back to it. Wait. Okay, so I found the battery charger that actually goes to it. So it is actually working now. Really good, actually. So I'm going to start framing up the wheels right here. I'm gonna frame them up and get them onto this with some gear mount or some gear stuff. So it's gonna take me a minute on that. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm trying to mount it up for the moment, but it does work really good with the tracks on there. I'm just trying to mount the two sides so that I can test it and see what happens. I might put a swiveled wheel or another tank tread out of the little smaller tank treads like those. Maybe do another wheel off the back that moves back and forth with it. I don't know. But we're about to test it once I get this mounted. Alright, what's up? I have been working on it for quite a few hours. I am tired. I'm going to bed. I'm finishing this video. But I've got it working and running. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. And I really did a little bit more reinforcing and it runs great. I don't really know what to do with it next, but here it is. Alright, it is now remote controlled with this. So I kind of made some adjustments to the sides. It is really sturdy. I barely got any connection in there on the motor, if you can see that. But let's see it run. Y'all want to see that? Pretty sure y'all do. Okay, I've turned it on. Let's see how good I can control this with one hand. Now let's try to turn it a little bit. See, it runs pretty good. So, yeah, it's pretty crazy. It runs really well. That will be the end of this video. That runs really well. Ashton's gonna probably be excited because it is mostly his motor and his tank treads, but some of my parts too. So remember, go like, subscribe, and comment, and peace out.